You thought it'd be Getty Chiron was rare. This prototype is a one of one in Australia, the Revolution race car. Now everybody knows the Paraga R1, well this is the next best thing. And just sitting in this Revolution race car, I mean what do you get for a prototype race car? A passenger seat to take your girlfriend, to take your mates out for hot laps. Have a look at this halo. I'd call it the double halo, a bit of extra protection. So it only weighs 900 kilos. For a new prototype car, it looks aggressive, it is aggressive. I would have to do a 10-minute steering wheel tour. There is that many buttons on here, but it does make you feel pretty cool. This steering wheel probably costs the same amount as 10 Hyundai XLs. Now there's going to be more coming to Australia, so let's find out what the price is. Mark, if you want to get one of these into Australia, how much will they cost?
So they're a little bit north of 300,000. Aussie dollar's not that great at the moment, but yeah, that's sort of what we're looking at. The great thing about the Revolution, it's actually a relatively easy car to drive. Got great traction control system, fantastic brakes, handles well, heap of mid-range, heap of top end. 260 k's an hour at the end of the straight here. It's a lot of fun.
This has got a Ford 3.5 litre V6 and this model's got a supercharger strapped to it for 500 horsepower. So it's a lot of fun out there on track.
It doesn't have DRS, but it definitely looks like it should. It looks like a Batmobile. I mean, everything is just so aggressive on it. I've never seen anything like this. The rear just looks scary on this thing.